How much you want to bet, Scratch? I got 500, Blitzo, and it says that Megumi can't do the explosion she's always been bragging about. Okay, 1, I bet she can. And 2, the O is fucking silent! Yeah, whatever. Megumi, get on with the explosion thing. Alright, Ghostman, so we're doing this on credit, right?
That's right.
Scratch. Listen, man. Why would Megumi do this if we've seen it a million times before?
But we don't know that, do we? Let's tell you not to bet money you don't have. Look, this is an easy win.
There's no way that Megumi would do an explosion in less than 3 seconds.
King of countless worlds, though I promote the laws of nature, I am also the alias of destruction. The balance for all creation. Let the power of eternity descend unto me.
Oopsie.